Hi class, this is Professor Buchanan. This is just a brief video to kind of walk you through a little bit what we're doing this week. This week is another important week as we're doing our second paper, close response number 2. All right, so we're going to take a look at that and then we'll kind of talk about what you need to do to complete that week and what's coming to help you complete it that you'll be able to find on our Blackboard course. So first off, let's go ahead and take a look at the assignment that we are doing for this week. So we are doing close response number 2. Now, this assignment is exactly the same structure and format as your first assignment. Same length, same strategy, same overall outline. Okay, it's exactly the same, except where in your first close response, you are analyzing the plays of Zetta Elliott. In this paper, you are analyzing 2 poems from Greg Jackson about superheroes. Now, let me give you a bit of advice. I would strongly suggest that you pick 2 of the poems that are covered on the PowerPoints in the weekly folder. Don't try and freelance, don't try and pick a poem that you just read that doesn't have some sort of material on Blackboard helping you understand the themes and how they relate. Even more so, feel free to go ahead and pick any 2 poems from The Golden Avenger, Gothamites, or Missing You Metropolis. A lot of material on Blackboard is dedicated to that, so that's really there to help you. So once you've chosen your 2 poems, you're going to follow the exact same format as paper 1, have an introduction, a thesis statement, 2 paragraphs dealing with evidence, 1 from each of the poems you selected, and a conclusion where you can then tell me what you feel about the themes presented. Okay. So that's it. That's all we have to work on this week. Clear the deck, focus on completing close response number 2. Now, before we leave today for this brief video, just a few things to keep an eye on to help you complete this project. By Thursday of this week, your close response 1 papers will be graded and returned to you on Blackboard. Go ahead and check those out because a lot of the material to help you understand and improve upon what you did in paper 1 is there. Like, you can use my comments if there's an area that you need to improve on. You can do that to improve for close response number 2. So look for your papers back this Thursday. Number 2, on Wednesday, there'll be a much larger video from another one of my classes, but I'm going to give it to everybody in this class as well, where I outline what to do exactly in the paper and give some general writing tips. This will be a much longer video, probably about 35-40 minutes, but it's there to really help you get your head around and understand how to complete this assignment. So, just to reiterate, for this week, make sure you can complete close response number 2. Keep your eyes on Blackboard for your papers to be returned to you on Thursday of this week, and keep an eye out for that big video breaking down the assignment on Wednesday. As always, if you want to, please feel free to send me a draft of your paper via email. I can look at it and give you comments and feedback on your paper. Good luck, and I look forward to reading your writing.